Hi everyone, welcome back to Cryptogains for another video. And in today's video I'm going to answer a question which I think is quite important, especially for everybody right now that's in the crypto industry. And, if you're someone that's holding long term or someone that's trading, this is that question: is now a good time to be buying cryptos? So if this sounds like it's an interesting question for you, please drop a like, give me some subscribes, and we're going to dive into this, okay? I think it is really important. But before I do, I need to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market, okay? So please always do your own research before investing any money, okay? So let's take a look at this, because it's one of those questions where, because I'm one of these people, I've got money sitting on the side and I'm waiting to invest, and I'm really trying to figure out, is this a good time to buy? And we're looking at the market, we're looking at how high some of these coins have gone. Let me just grab up the coin market cap as a whole, because I want to show you, obviously. I don't need to show you, you can all see yourself that the market's been doing really well over the past 7 days. Bitcoin's gone up 13%. I'm seeing XRP 11%. Litecoin 19%. So a lot of these coins have been performing really well over the last week. Obviously some have gone down, but I'm just going to dive through some of these coins, like some of the popular ones, and just sort of work out. Well, I'm not going to tell you, because again, it's not financial advice, but you can make your own decision to decide whether it is good to buy or not. So let's start with Bitcoin, because it is, for me, extremely high. 13,363. I'm just going to show you this in dollars. Actually, you know what, I'm going to grab up Coin Codex, because Coin Codex, I don't use it much, but it shows that in US dollars it saves me having to go forward and backwards. See, as you can see here, $17,000 Bitcoin is really high. Me personally, when I look at the Bitcoin charts, right, look at this, it's so parabolic. And when I say parabolic, I mean it's shot up. Like, looking at this, it's just shot up. And when I look back at the last all-time high bull run, it shot up and then it shot back down. So I believe that there's going to be a serious correction for all cryptocurrencies. So me personally, I probably would not be buying Bitcoin now. But then again, it all depends on your your long-term goals, because if you're someone that is holding long-term, then maybe this is a good price for you, because there's a lot of people that have got this FOMO action going on. And for those who don't know, FOMO is fear of missing out. And a lot of people are buying in now because they're feared that they're going to miss out on great opportunities for when it does go higher. And like I said in some of my prior videos, I believe Bitcoin will go to like £200,000. I really do see it. But yeah, I don't think Bitcoin is a good time to buy. Plain and simple. Not at the prices that it is now. I think we should wait for a healthy pullback. Look, I don't usually do this in my videos, and I don't like to give like a technical analysis side of thing, and this isn't really going to be a technical analysis. I just want to show you, give you a good look at this chart here. I'm just going to strip it completely of some of the indicators and stuff I've been doing, and I just want to show you how this chart looks. This is day by day, and every day it creates a new candlestick, right? But I'm just trying to show you here how parabolic it's gone, right back until we had this massive dump of Bitcoin in due to the virus, and since then to here, I'm going to show you how much it's gone up in percentage from there to there. So let's just have a look from here. Oh, have I done it wrong? Let me grab it again. Hold on. I think I'm supposed to stretch it. Hold on. Let's grab this little ruler thing. So, what is it I'm doing wrong here? Hold on a minute. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Oh, here we go. Let's just take it from there. Hold on. So, I want to show you the all highs. Hold on, let me stretch this down a bit. So, from near enough its lowest point to here, I wonder if I can just bring this down a bit. I'm not sure if I can drag it down. Hold on, let me try again. Let's take it from about down here. Here we go. So from here to the highs that it is now. Oh, look, the bloody thing's not letting me see. My bloody screen. I'm just not doing well, am I? Hold on a minute, guys. Let's try again. Third time's the charm. Here we go. From here to here. There we go. We can see clearly. As you can see here, right? This blue bar that's in the middle, it says 246 bars, 246 days, right? Since the drop, it's been roughly 246 days since we had that massive dump, right? And it's gone up 356% in 246 days. 356%. So when I look at this, I say to myself, well, there definitely is time for it to come back and make some form of correction, because anything that's parabolic, let me get rid of this now, anything that's parabolic, like what you see here, if it goes up, there's always a chance that it's going to come back down because it can't sustain itself, too much buying power. So I believe that all cryptos, not just Bitcoin, all cryptos are going to see a healthy correction. So bearing that in mind, right, let's move on to the next coin, XRP. XRP's been performing well as well. My words. That was a bit of a tongue twister for me there, guys. XRP has been performing well as well. 21 pence right now. Let me just show you in US dollars. Actually, I can grab it here. You're looking at a 28 cent, right? So it has gone up significantly over the last few days. I'm not sure if it's because of the rally that Bitcoin is doing, or if there's extra news. But let's just have a look and see if it's a good time to buy. See, when I look at this chart here, right, and I see that, I'm just dragging it in down at the bottom here so we can get a better look. XRP did an all-time high of, and I said this in some of my last videos, it went as high as £2.85, right? And just to show you £2.85, or XRP hitting dollars, I think it was like $3 something, $3.79. That is insane gains. and I'm saying insane gains based off of what it is today, because look, it's really low compared to what it hit as an all-time high. It's 10 times or over 10 times less, maybe 15 times. So for me, when I look at Bitcoin, I think this is a healthy price to buy. Even if there was a pullback, like I said, I expect there to be some form of pullback based on what I'm seeing with the Bitcoin, what I showed you before. But 21 pence, what we say in 28 cents, that's, for me, that's still a good time to buy, because it's still 10 times less the price. So even if you did buy today and it reached its all-time highs again, you would be getting 10 times the price, because like I said, 28 cents there, and again, look, $3.79, you're still going to get a nice bit of gain there on your investment if you invest today. So I think that's a good time to buy XRP. Let's just check the next one. So Ethereum, and again, I'm looking down at the charts here, if they load. Ethereum's all-time high, it shows 1011. I think it was a bit higher than that, but we're just going to go with that anyway, right? 1011. Let's take a quick look at what 1011 pounds looks like in dollars. You're looking at $1,343. I think it went up to $1,500, but we'll just go over what it's saying here. Based on it being $1,343, where is Ethereum again? You're looking at what, 4 times your gains? 4 times your gains. So it's still relatively obviously it's a lot low considering the gains that it was at its all-time high. So you can still make some significant profit if you was to invest into it today. But again, guys, it's not investment advice. I'm just trying to help you understand if it's worth buying into crypto now. And for me, I've been waiting for it to go lower. It may never ever go low again. This is why people get that FOMO action, right? People get scared and they have that fear of missing out. But I haven't got that with this, because I believe that if I do miss it, then there's other projects that I can invest into that can make me good gains. But yeah, if you are someone that is interested in Ethereum, now is still probably a good time to buy, because again, even though I believe it's going to come down, it's still below its all-time high. And when I compare it against Bitcoin being so close to its all-time high, it's just, for me, that's just a bit risky to invest, because if it does pull back like it did here, not once, and even here twice, we could expect to see something very similar in the crypto industry. And I haven't seen that much really with XRP. When it's high and then it came down. So if it does go high, we've still got time to really decide when we will see a pullback. Same goes for Ethereum. It hasn't done that similar thing. Well, then again, you can say it did it here, went down, went up, came down. But yeah, I would still probably invest into this if this was something that I wanted to invest into. I think it's a good time for me. But yeah, at any time, guys, drop your comments down. Let me know what you think, when you think is the best time to invest, because I'm really here to try and help everyone, and it's nice to hear what you guys think as well, because it can also help other people. I'm sure people will be looking in the comments. But yeah, let's check Zilliqa. If you're liking it so far, drop a like as well. But yeah, Zilliqa, well, for me, straight up, I can tell you straight away from looking at this, is definitely a good investment to invest in now. I know Zilliqa will perform really well. I also know it's going to fall down when Bitcoin takes its tumble down as well. I believe that the crypto coins will come down a bit. So it just depends on what kind of value you're looking for with your money. For me, like a penny, 0.5 is still good, you know. And I was trying to look at it here on there. Sorry, I can't reload it, because if I reload it, it's going to show the Bitcoin. But from what I can see in the background here, right, because I was looking at the Zilliqa charts, right, it went up and it's come back down. This line here is like a resistant line for me. I'm just watching it because it keeps resisting, and this line is significant, and it can show here because look, if you look in this little corner here, I wonder if I can zoom it in. If you look in this corner here, I've drawn this line because I believe it is resistance. You know, it went above and then it's come straight back down. So I know this line that I've put here is a strong resistance, and it's showing it as well, which makes me believe that maybe Zilliqa may come back down and correct itself in price. But again, not investment advice. I'm not 100% sure. I'm just going by what I see, okay? So yeah, it is a good time to buy, considering that it went up to 15 pence. Let me just show you here. It did do 15 pence. It's not shown on the charts. If I zoomed in a bit more, it would. 14.7, but it did say 15. Let me just show you what Zilliqa is like on here. How do we search it on here? Let's have a little look. Zil, because I want to show you what the price is, what it looks like today. I think it's 2 cents, might be wrong. Yeah, 2 cents in a minute. It's still a good buy because you're still getting what, 7 times your gains back, something like that, or 6.5 times your gains back if you buy today. That's based on it going to its all-time high as well. So I think it's a good time to be buying Zilliqa. But yeah, again, if you want to wait like me, and I believe that it might come down a bit, you could dollar cost average into this. You know, you could put like a couple of £100 now. Just again, not investment advice. I'm just saying, put a couple of £100 in that down, and every week or month just keep investing a bit more. So you're dollar cost averaging in. So you're not throwing it all in at one price and you're just getting it at different prices. But yeah, let's just take a little look at Cardano. I don't know how many coins have I done. 4 or 5? I don't know. I wasn't really checking. I was just trying to go over like the ones that, you know, that most people probably have invested into. 7 to 8 pence. And just to show you this in dollars, let me get up on this chart here. Very easy here. Here we go. ADA 10 cents right now. Again, if the market pulls back like I believe it will, and I don't know when, because this could obviously go higher Bitcoin. And the reason I keep looking back to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the leader. Like for me, whatever Bitcoin does, all the other coins seem to follow roughly. It seems to follow what it does. So, you know, when I look at Bitcoin, if it pulls back, we could probably see a pullback. Ideally, I'd like to buy it at 5 pence. That's me though. That's me dreaming. 5 pence in, you know, US dollars. Let's just have a look at what 5 pence is. 4 pence, you know, 6 cents, 6.5 cents. That's the price ideally what I'd like to get at if I was to invest into it. But, you know, I'm still waiting for that. It may never hit it again, guys. So this is why people are FOMOing into the market. It could go up and up and up, and we never ever see these numbers again. But, you know, even still, you know, 7 pence, 8 pence, even 10 cents, like I said here, for me is a good buy, because even at the prices now, it still looks like it's undervalued. Let me just show you here its all-time highs. I believe it was like 60 something pence. No, sorry, 80 pence. Look at that. And I'm just going to show you what, and that's not even the tip. Where's the tip? 90 pence, right? 90 pence was the tip as how high Cardano went. And let's just check 90 pence in dollars, right? Because I believe it's like $1.30. There you go, like $1.20 is how high it went. So it went over $1. So when you look at it like that, you're looking at 12 times your profit back if you was to invest today, or if you was to buy today, you know. So have a think on that one. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what this video was about. I'm not gonna go any longer on this. I just wanted to sort of open your mind up and make you, you know, ask that question: is crypto a good time to buy now? Majority of them, yes. Bitcoin, maybe not so much. But again, my advice to all of you is, maybe just wait a week or two, just to see what happens to the market, because I really do believe there will be a pullback. And the worst thing that happens to people, because it's happened to me, you know, I've invested money into crypto, and I've paid for it, and then it's dropped. Has that happened to you? No, it must have happened to you. When you put money in, you're like, yeah, now I'm gonna buy it, and then tomorrow it just drops. And I think, man, I could have bought mayo chicken with that, some fries, a Happy Meal to go with that as well, so I can get my little Pokemon cards inside. So that extra money may just help if you're looking to obviously get more value for your money. But some people don't care, you know. Some people are just like, you know, it's a good price, I'm just going to dollar cost averaging, like I said before. And yeah, so have a think on that one. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it here with you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you're new and you like what you see, please do drop a like, give me a subscribe, check out my other videos as well. Some of them are doing really well. Thank you all for watching anyway. But yeah, look at this Zilliqa passive income. This is insane passive income. You should check this one out. And yeah, I'll leave you with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers.